Experts from Canada, using an experiment, were able to prove that pasta can help to lose weight. But before that, this is Dash from Health App. If you want to know more latest health facts and tips like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. According to scientists, if there is pasta instead of other carbohydrates, then this can find a positive reflection on the figure, eliminating extra pounds. Experts invited 2,500 people to conduct the experiment, who were supposed to eat pasta on a regular basis, replacing them with other sources of carbohydrates and without any additives to pasta. The result was amazing. Those participants who ate just over 3 servings of pasta per week were able to lose half a kilogram. Can you believe that? It turns out that pasta alone cannot cause weight gain. The main treat comes from mayonnaise, sauces, and other additives to the main dish. Macaroni and cheese are also contain very high calorie. So, start your weight loss journey with a carbohydrates-free pasta 3 times a week. Be healthy, be happy always. Remember to stay tuned with this channel. See you later and thanks for watching.